Hey there, my friends. Let's kick things off with a simple, powerful quote. It's not about being the best. It's about being better than you were yesterday. So, are you ready for a transformative journey to a better you? Strap in, let's dive in. Now, what does it mean to be better than we were yesterday? To answer this, let's share a story. Imagine two runners, John and Kate. John is naturally gifted, while Kate, she has to struggle for every mile. But she doesn't give up. Every day she runs a little farther, a little faster. Over time, Kate becomes a stronger, more resilient runner, not because she's the best, but because she's better than she was yesterday. So, how can we all be like Kate? How can we be better than we were yesterday? First, embrace the power of reflection. Make it a habit to pause each day and think about your accomplishments and the challenges you've faced. Second, set small, achievable goals for yourself. If you want to start reading more, start with 10 pages a day. Want to learn a new skill? Dedicate 15 minutes a day to it. Small steps lead to big changes. And third, remember the power of perseverance. It's okay to fall. What matters is getting back up, dusting yourself off, and pushing forward. To wrap up, remember this. Every day is a fresh start, an opportunity to be better. Each small step, every tiny victory, brings you closer to the person you want to be. You're not competing with anyone else but the person you were yesterday. So wake up each day, look in the mirror and say, "Today, I will be better." Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. If this resonated with you, hit like, share, and subscribe to Uplift in Shorts. Tell us your personal growth stories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to be better than we were yesterday.